13 lives were lost in a magnitude 5.6 earthquake in Newcastle, Australia's deadliest earthquake, 33 years ago. 9 of those lives were lost in the Newcastle Workers' Club, which partially collapsed during the earthquake. 300 buildings in Newcastle had to be demolished due to damage. This led to a revision of Australian building codes and the formation of the Australian Earthquake Engineering Society, who have developed commentaries on AS 1170.4 discussing building for earthquakes. The commentary is available free from the deadliest.org.au website. Next week I'll be attending the annual AWS conference to talk about what we've learned about how to effectively communicate earthquake science.